Hello, the Chef George from the Event by George Catering Company. Today let's cook a delicious recipe of chicken marsala. Ingredients for the chicken marsala: parsley, mushrooms, pepper, salt, minced garlic, butter, onions, flour, chicken fillet, cooking marsala wine, and olive oil extra virgin. Like always told you, we start salt and pepper, put salt and pepper in the chicken breast. Pepper, salty, and we are ready for continuous. We add the flour in the bowl, and we start to pass the fillet, the chicken breast, and flour. The chicken breast like this, all of them for flour, and reserve. We add olive oil, extra virgin, to fry the chicken breast. We add now the chicken breast to fry like this. We cook 3 minutes for each side. Remember that the chicken always needs to be well done cooking. After 3 minutes, we flip up the chicken breast. Look how beautiful and browny we have already. And we cook for the other side. When the chicken are browny already, we reserve. In the same fry pan that we use for the fry the chicken, we add butter with a little bit olive oil extra virgin because we avoid that the butter burns. And we start with the mushroom. We cook the mushroom for at least 3 or 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, we add the onions. At this point, we add a little salt, pepper too. We add the minced garlic. We add half cup of Marsala wine. And we return the chicken breast to the sauce, to the preparation. For minutes, 3-4 minutes, until the sauce take the flavor with the chicken and everything is very beautiful. Look how beautiful already the recipe, and we'll make the presentation for the client now. This is the final result from the chicken marsala. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share. Your comments always are very important. We make every day new video for our YouTube channel, and we make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much. Finish, sprinkle parsley, fresh parsley on top to refresh the flavor, and look how beautiful.